everybody else in line. But she also can be a big weenie when she wants to be too. But she knows she has a lot of mass. So she's a very headstrong elephant type too. So. You can touch her. Chandra and Asher were asking people not to just take her. She wants to smell. So. Especially if you're under us. So. Good girl, so. Elephant snot. It's just elephant snot. So. Girl.
Is this one Suki?
Yep, it sure is.
Hi, sweetie.
You gotta touch it.
How long has Suki been here?
Since 1997. Yep.
Can I get you on there?
Me? Nah.
What are you doing?
I'm on Facebook and YouTube enough.
Pet her. Let's Selena
Start
pet her.
charging. Use it as a fundraiser. She kind of comes and goes. Yeah, they're constantly swapping places throughout the evening. So.
Alright, good. Touch it.
Don't let me forget the stroller.
Sometimes
Yeah,
they-
put Selena up there. Come here, Suki. Let her pet her. Come on.
Her you can. Yeah.
Come on, Selena.
Kinda, if you're able to, they're fine with it.
Hurry, so other people can do it.
This is